Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to invite someone in our Google Calendar event. So first, log into your Google Calendar and then find the event that you want to invite the person. And as for me, I am inviting them in my birthday event. And then after clicking it, click the edit icon. Now in the edit interface, we have to type in the email of the guest. Make sure to check the invite others button. And then after doing this, click the save button. Now click the send button since we want to send the invitation email to this person. And that's it. Now let's check the email of that person if they received this invitation for this demo. And that's it. As you can see here, we have received this invitation email, and that is how to invite someone in our Google Calendar event. And thank you for listening.